make it minutes.
I'm Sherry Forbes, and I'm the Professional Learning Coordinator for the Learning Resource Center South. This is my daughter Avery.
Hi!
Our theme today is making snow in the summer.
Why should we have to wait to make a snowman just in the winter when we can make it all year around?
Well, we are going to see how mixing baking soda and white hair conditioner creates a snow-like form. At the end, we will create a chemical reaction by melting our snowman with vinegar. With any experiment, it is important to have an adult supervision and permission. Let's start by reviewing the important vocabulary we'll be using during this activity. Form. This means to shape something. We are going to form our snow into a ball in order to make a snowman. Stack. This is a pile of things. We are going to stack our snowballs to create a snowman. For today's activity, we will need baking soda, white hair conditioner, a mixing bowl, a measuring cup, ribbon, strings, toothpicks or twigs, buttons, and other decorative materials to create the snowman's appearance. Our instructions: measure 3 cups of cold or room temperature baking soda into a mixing bowl. If cold snow is preferred, place baking soda into the freezer for a few hours before starting. Add a half a cup of conditioner until the mix is a snow-like form. Adding more conditioner will give you a heavier, thicker snow. Less conditioner gives you a fluffier snow. Using your hands, form the snow into a large ball to create the base of the snowman. Continue to shape 2 more balls, 1 medium size and 1 small size. Build your snowman by stacking the snowballs on top of one another, with the biggest ball on the bottom and the smallest on top. Decorate your snowman. Add eyes, nose, arm, hat, scarf, etc. Be creative. You can also extend this activity by melting your snowman. Take a half a cup of vinegar and pour it directly over the snowman. The vinegar reacts with baking soda to create a chemical reaction. On our website, you can download an activity plan that provides this and other extension activities, as well as a list of materials you will need and step-by-step instructions.
If you enjoyed this activity, please join us next time for a new Make It Minutes activity.
And to learn more about the services provided by the LRC South, check out our website and social media platforms.